Hi everyone. Okay, so we have the Kit Club box, monthly subscription box, which this is my second, so, and I have one more to go and then I can cancel it because they just did the reveal today, and again, it's a mixture of stuff. It is not, it's not all exclusive, so, and I want the all exclusive, so that's okay. That is perfectly okay, because I love all this. Don't get me wrong, I love all this stuff. I love it all. I love Pink Fresh. Pink Fresh, I have everything of Pink Fresh, but I just don't need doubles of it. And I already buy from Paper Issues, and for this, I don't, Dory, she's playing with her bark box. Can we not? Yeah. And she's a kid who, yeah. So this is Pink Fresh. These are acetates, sentiments, acetate die cuts. And so now I gotta remember not to buy these when Paper Issues has her haul, and that sucks because I buy everything from Paper Issues online store. With Paper Issues, Pink Fresh Studio, Simple Stories, because you always get it's 20% discount on everything you buy, and it doesn't, there's no minimum, nothing like that, and she has free shipping like after $75. So I'd rather spend money on a full kit that's exclusive than buy, see, I already own this, you know, things like that. So, and I already got like 20% off of this. So here I am paying 50 bucks for a kit, and I'm already getting doubles, and I don't need doubles. I don't want doubles. That's not what I wanted at all. And so that's all. So it's not dissing Hip Kit, okay? It is not dissing them. It is just for my own, because I buy stuff and I don't want doubles, and I wanted the exclusiveness of the Hip Kit stuff, and I joined at the time when the whole box was exclusive items, thinking that's what it was going to be from now on, and it's not. So that stinks. So, but this is exclusive to them, which is cool. Yeah, see, I mean, they got this, right? This looks a little bit like Simple Stories. This one's Pink Fresh. So yeah, so I'll have one more box, and then that's it. And then I'll cancel them, and I'll do what the last lady suggested, is that she only buys when it's an exclusive box, basically, here and there, instead of doing the subscription. And I agree. I think that's what I'll be doing from now on. I'll just look for their exclusive stuff, and that will be awesome, because their stuff is awesome. I mean, their stuff is awesome. I love it. I love everything about them. But yeah, to repeat myself, that's all. So alright, so that is the actual scrapbook kit. So I think it's $60, because I think it's $50 for that, and then I think it's another 20 something. So it's paying like $60, $65, I think it is, something like that, for this kit. And it's a lot of money, and it's a lot of money for me to get doubles. So very cute. I love Pink Fresh Studio. Their stuff is just amazing. You're going to hear that from Dory. And you know what? I've said it in all my videos. I don't mind, because they are not, these guys, my bullies, are my babies. And they're not here for a long time. They're not here, you know, they don't last forever. So they don't live forever. And I prefer them to enjoy life, because they are rescues. So if she wants to play and I have to talk louder, then that's the way it's going to be. So they are loving life, and they are happy, and that matters to me. That just matters. So this is HKC exclusive. That's cool. See, they can do it. So it's like, why not keep going? They got it. So it's kind of weird. This is a Pink Fresh. I love their frames. Their frames are just amazing. So anyways, that was Hip Kit. So one more, and we'll see you guys.